Hello, this is Gregory, the poor typist, and I am on a pen kick right now. So here we have the Sarasa Grand Gel Retractable Black Ink, 0.7 millimeters, medium point, premium metal barrel, rapid dry gel ink with a bonus refill. Zebra. Yeah, so I was very curious about this. I'm trying to remember the price point on this. This was, I believe, around the $8, $9 mark, somewhere around there. Purchased at Staples. Yeah. So, sophisticated writing. For those who love the Sarasa gel pen, but crave a weighted, more sophisticated pen body, the Sarasa Grand is the pen for you. With rapid dry ink technology and a brass barrel, this pen leaves no doubt as to its quality and durability. Convenient, easy push clip, transparent window for ink supply monitoring. That's excellent, which I also appreciate on my current favorite cheapy pen. I say current, but it's been my favorite cheapy pen for many years now. The Uni Jetstream, but this is a little more pricey than that. But I do enjoy that feature. Refillable with JF refill. Available barrel colors: navy, gold, rose gold, black, white, and turquoise. And I believe this is the gold. And I like it. Ordinarily, I wouldn't do gold, but I like it because it's like a frosted gold. So this is hilarious. This is hilarious. They put packaging inside packaging. So they put it in this package, and they're like, you know what? This doesn't seem grand enough. So let's put it inside a box. That is hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. And talk about over packaging. But I do have to say it worked, because it had a higher perceived value being in that other box. So, and it looks like proven fastest drying. Wow, that's a bold statement there. Yeah. Other than that, it looks like it's basically the same packaging. So let's tear this open. All right. So it mentioned weight, and I love the weight of this. I absolutely love the weight of this, and the look of it. Actually, it's a very light frosted gold. Wow, that has a nice feel to it. Very nice. Wow. It's always nice when they have a little bit of plastic on the end there. See that? Pull that off. Considering its rather small diameter, it has a really nice weight to it. And I don't know that the camera is picking up the color very well. It's very nice. Just a very light, as I say, frosted gold. So I love the look of this. I really do. And here we see it says Zebra Sarasa. Then here it says Sarasa. And has a very satisfying click. Yeah. And I assume this clip will loosen up a little bit because you have to use a fair amount of strength. And it's interesting that the window they were talking about is right here. But how is that going to help you see how much ink is left? I'm a little confused about that, but we shall move on. All right, let's look inside. The feel of this is just very, very high quality. The threads there, that's definitely plastic there. I believe the body feels like metal. The inner threads, those are metal. There's a spring. There's the cartridge refill. That has a very nice feel to it. Very nice. Wow. All right, so as you see here, I have it already, my Idea Collective top-down journal. Amazing. All right, so here we are. So, all right. Ooh. The bonus refill just went flying, but this is, the company is Zebra, right? Yeah. Zebra Pen Corporation. So Zebra Sarasa Grand. I guess the other Sarasas are probably all plastic, whereas this at least has some metal to it, making it more heavy. And this is the 0.7 millimeter. Obviously black. And they consider this a medium and 0.7. It looks awfully bold. If we look back here, this is also 0.7. And there's a big difference there between that and that. Of course, here you have also the gel ink. So that could be part of it. I do have to say, the feel in writing is excellent. And you get a nice, solid line. That was the problem with the Jetstream 4N1. That's definitely your standard ballpoint, whereas this is gel, and I definitely have a preference for gel. I believe this one is, if I'm not mistaken, it's gel. I could be wrong about that. Well, there was a writing sample of that right there. No, that looks like ballpoint as well. Anyway, I digress, because we are here looking at the Zebra Sarasa Grand 0.7 millimeter black. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is actually, I consider this to be comparable to my Parker IM which is a much more expensive pen. Well, we're talking $30, and you could probably find it for less than that, but this is like an $8 pen. And look how bold and solid that is. Very smooth. Yeah. Wow. 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 I am very, very impressed with this pen. Yeah, this definitely rivals my Parker IM. Wow. I should have brought that one out. I thought this would be more comparable to the to the Uni Jetstream, but no. This, yeah, this is pretty amazing. There is some. I just noticed there's some very light detail here, just little sort of etched out areas. I don't know that that really helps any with the grip, but maybe it's more just for the look of it, actually. I do love the color of this and the feel. It feels like a much more expensive pen. I would say the only giveaways that it's not an expensive pen are the very obvious logos. I guess my one disappointment is the... Oh, where is it? The transparent window for ink supply monitoring. So the window is way up here, and most of it is covered by the clip. So that is that's a little strange. Yeah, but it looks nice though. But I mean, I can't even see the window. And just for comparison's sake, my everyday carry pen, and this one's pretty full, so you're not going to be able to see it too well. But there's a window down here, and this makes a lot more sense to have it down here. Why would you put the window up here when it should be down here? As the ink goes down, it's going down like this. I could very well be missing something. Under there, you probably can't see it too well. Let's see if I can... You can see some of the mechanics of the pen in there. But the ink is going to be way down there. So I'm just not sure about that. So then, I mean, you're going to basically have to take the pen out to see the ink. So I'm not sure what they were thinking about that, but nevertheless, the window adds a little character to it, little design basically. So that's kind of nice, and it looks like it's a tinted window, like almost like an amber color. Other than that, I mean, that's not even much of a complaint. It's a very, very nice pen. I definitely prefer retractables. That has been my preference for many, many years. It comes from, I've worked in the financial industry for 9 years, and I was constantly signing papers. So you don't want to mess with the lid when you're doing all that. So retractable became my preference. Yeah. So I kind of stick to that. There's a few exceptions, but oh my goodness, this is a nice pen. Very nice. I'm very, very impressed. So there you go. Very long-winded, but again, we have the Zebra Sarasa Grand 0.7 millimeter black. This pen writes very well. A nice bold line, even though it's supposed to be 0.7 millimeter. I don't know if that's partly due to the gel ink spreading out. It did say that it's the fastest drying gel ink. Proven fastest. So let's see if I can do this quickly enough. Yeah, that's quick. Anyway, wow, I'm super happy with this pen. I may have to get this in other colors as well. Very, very nice, especially at that price point, around the $8 mark at Staples. I am going to link, include affiliate links to both this and also this nice Idea Collective journal in the description. Wow. I'm so impressed with this. The Sarasa Grand. The Sarasa Grand. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.